This is how I have been rejected by 3 men because of my HIV status. I very warm welcome to Ulwazini Zindaba. Please don't forget to comment and like, and if it's your first time tuning in, kindly do subscribe. Thank you. Guys, receiving a diagnosis of HIV can be a life-changing event. That's a given. But having HIV does not mean you should not have a normal life. Majority of people living with HIV can live a long and healthy life if they get and stay on treatment. This is a story of a young lady asitshela ukuthi after atfolakale aba-diagnosed, life has rather been very difficult when it comes to my romantic relationships. Uyashela ukuthi it is either mawudisclose lo muntu nje ushaya spoon down akubalekele aphume kuwe, or if athi uyak-accepta with your status, loyo muntu loyo akakutreat sharp. It's like you are being held hostage in a relationship because of the acceptance yaloyo muntu loyo. Yo, guys, it is very much sad. This person siyambona ukuthi she's probably in her late, if not mid-20s. And already nyalo so go through tinto letifana naleti because of the stigma surrounding HIV. Yati yutswego ukuthi thine we are a well-informed and educated generation when it comes to chronic viruses and diseases, only to find out somewhere in between there's still lack of education. Because really you cannot accept what you do not know or what you don't have knowledge about. So guys, as typical as it may sound, Kota, there are some people that really need to be well informed when it comes to HIV. Remember now, uyakhona kuphila impilo le normal, or even start a family with your partner that has been diagnosed positive. Because there are certain precautions le when ungawathatha in making sure that you do not get infected. For example, guys, kune PrEP. You are able to take PrEP every day in order to make sure ukuthi awuyitholi. You guys can even have a baby lotoba born negative. Yati lo sesimaga it really hardens my heart because uyambona lo muntu ukuthi this is not a movie. Ukutshela into that she has had to go through ever since waba diagnosed. Ukutshela le stigma lesiba khona. I, for one, personally, I have relatives that have been diagnosed. And you can tell from a mile away ukuthi these people, when it comes to their romantic relationships, akuhambi kahle. I think ifocus iba more ekutheni lo muntu akathatha amaphilisi akanathi abe right, abe healthy, impilo musi iyachubeka, but we forget ukuthi what does this person have to go through makahlangana nemuntu empilweni yakhe ngoba uyachaza sesiko ukuthi yathi noma udiscloseile nkosi yami uze utisole because labanye abantu abanaqiniso kokuthi sometimes usinaso disclosiwe lo muntu lento yohlala kuleka ngayo masenhlukene ahlala kugijimisa ngayo akuthuka ngayo. So life is not really easy, and the least you can do is to be matured enough for you to be able to handle the situation lefana nalena should go with when a partner that has been diagnosed. So you are very much welcome to share your views after having listened to the video.
Dated back to 2021, about 3 years after I found out that I was HIV positive. Was not even looking for a relationship. I was not even thinking about relationships. I was still in my celibate journey, or rather healing. So 2021, this guy I met up a couple of times. We'd have conversations. So this time you have good conversations, so why not? Been single for 3 years. What's a chat text or whatever? So ke fine ndivume. I gave him my numbers. This was about April 2021. I guess everything is nice on the WhatsApp, you know, we call, you know, we talk nje throughout. Say update ana kuyale uyanif xa ine-chance ephume eSpine uzondibona yabo. We'd sit outside in his car, blast music, laugh, you know, share stories. Be minded, then I'd go back to the house. And nje, it continued like kanjalo. Like it was such a refreshing experience because ngoku, oh my God, the guys as koyo, was on Netflix and chill, khawuzon bonendlini, khawuzon phekela. Yonke la vurgus evelindenze ingase ndingawatsala ndiwathi ndijinge kuwo. Yeva? But ke asikho apho before ndilahleke. So yonke into imali ke lalokana ndibone after kuhamba ixesha uba no man, izinto zizoba serious apha, sezibonakala uba zizawuba serious apha. I have to disclose. And that was a decision that I took even before ndingacingela ubuyela kwi-dating scene. I was like, you know what, at least nam ndingafuna uba kwenzeke loo nto kum, umntu abe honest nam, yabo. You can't really say you love someone. Ewe kunzima guys ukudisclose. Yo kunzima, I don't want to lie. It's not something easy. But if you love someone, you can awukwazi uyifihla. I couldn't. For me, I couldn't. And for me, I could if benfuna, because I took my ARVs religiously up until I reached a stage in my journey of being undetectable, meaning that I can't transmit it to anyone, even if that incident would occur, kanjalo. So I had a choice. Like, I could keep it to myself because he's safe now, but for me, guys. So I disclosed Kekumfan, and as an overthinker, his reaction was exactly as I expected. He was shocked. He was shocked, and shame, he wanted time to think. I understood, because are you really ready to date someone with HIV? Do you know enough information about HIV? What are you clued up about in regards to it? Ngayimela na yabo yokucacisela abahlali. But guys, I knew that he needed to think about those things, yabo. So I gave him the time. Yo, Andagoa. In his time of thinking, Andagoa, guys. Andagoa like thoroughly. Wabuya umfana. Because Andagoa, guys, I'm like, what if this guy doesn't come back? Like, he comes back to say that I can't date you. And his reasons would be valid, because they are not invalid. Those are his reasons, his feelings about the whole situation. But my concern is that I bet myself, that was the first guy I ever told. I was like, but he came back, guys. He came back, shame, and said, you know what? There are feelings invested here. Let's give it a try. And I was like, oh, thank you, Father. But yabuyali relationship, yabo. But it was not the same anymore. Like, the spark had died down a bit. Like, it was unspoken, you know. And but we continued, It was all good up until it wasn't. And then umfana wachik, then he became a totally different person. Yabona mosixani we talk exchange for a very long time. Mazil umntu uthethile naye. Like, this guy, I disclosed to him ngabo July. We've been speaking ngabo April. So there's noko send us, and kula point yokuba nqomo okay namke I've already shared that. No, in a man, I'm thanks kesanomdo inconsistent, because I love structure, I love order. I do not thrive under chaos, and it just makes me anxious. So I do not want to find myself there. And nomdo I was a communicator. We have to talk, dude. In order for us to we have to talk. Asina indlela. if we don't talk, we won't pass. So he started having those traits of inconsistent, zokuba bad communicator. And I just felt to myself that clearly the only reason you came back when is because face to face, but no, you didn't have the guts to tell me that, you know, and this was update as if mhlambe I don't understand. Like, it left that impression kum. And with all that happening, I just decided, you know what, Tabisa, it's fine. I'm at a point in my life where what happens, happens. What doesn't happen, doesn't happen. You do not fuss over something you can't control. And so anxious. So when I saw, okay, it's taking a left, let me take a right. So this was around festive. And going there for first I'm gonna 2022. Singing 2022, mid 2022, a friend of mine says, yo, I'm trying, there's this guy who's been talking about you. Oh, go. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, but I'm thinking to myself, you know what? Because Tabisa, this will be your life. This is your life. You will be rejected. Ola. Zophila lempilo yokurejectwa. So wena vele uyazibona strategy uzothi bekhona ozo overlooka le disease uzoba khona akuthande for wena. So laqamba, okay, you know what, lo mfana avele ndiyitsho pha ekuqaleni ndingafani nalo endisuka kuye, yabo. Let me just beat while it's still fresh. Uyayiva? I said, give him my numbers to him. Fine. We talk a phone and he says that, can we meet up, yabo? Can we go? Can I take you out? I'm okay, sure. And this girl, I'm gonna just say there, first date sanalam. You know, just to save myself the heartache. But the reaction, Sana was different. Like, it was a 360. This guy came up and hugged me and told me that, no, these things happen. You know, yara, like, this is consolayo. No, this doesn't change anything about what I said. Okay. Goma, he didn't even think. So Nyani get there, and thereafter we continued talking to this guy, and he was just full on, like 100 speed. It's like spinning, it's like voo. Waitana ne F1 ke imoto zibaleka. Sasiso Hamilton tonton. Ndibukela nezo zinto ke because kaloku ndisiso accepted apha, ndibukela ne F1 apha ndazini pha. Ndibukela F1 sana. Abeze ngesivini nomfana nqomba, but ndibona red flags bandazi. But I'm accepted apha ndenze njani? Azibhebhezeli njengobeqita ngesaspeed red flags. But because I am accepted here, guys, and everything, and can I okanye into thile iyeza sendishuba akho nto esokolisayo ndiyi-princess. But if-flags zithini flags. Yeah. Like guys, like, I'm holding on to the fact that this guy is accepting of me, and you know, even though there are traits in him, and I'm like, but I'm held hostage by the fact that he accepted my status. Up until I was like, no man, this is too much. No man, ndenzele anxiety lo mfana, because kaloku in as much as ndimane ndiyi-communicate back, can tone it down on, you know, can we compromise? There's no compromise. There's Ngomba unyamezele ntoni naThabisa napho uba uxelela uba apha kushaya sami isicathulo, whatever you want you'll get, and I will not uba I'm not giving you my attention, but nguye pha, nguye steering. andifithi mna kahle kahle. So I said to myself, yeah, son, Thabisani, noba kuthiwa you are HIV positive, ayithetha uba awuzuphinda umfumane omnye umntu. Why are you settling for this? Just because you're accepted. Khona omnye umntu out there in the world who will accept you and love you for who you are and your disease. Why inyamezele nto? Ndaqomba no man fuck off enyani. Because nami sendiyibona, and there were so many zazininzi factors, guys, like when it came to intimacy, like insecurities, because he has once shared to me that one of his relatives passed away because of AIDS, and I'm like to myself, yo sana, in fact, you just punched me in my chest, because why are you even dating me? I even said that to him. But then ufuna ntoni kwintombazane ene-HIV xa usoyika ube usoyika loo nto, while as I try my best to educate you on my status. That means still nakuleyo into yalali bewumninzi, guys. So I was like, you know what, my brother, he had to sit to the left, but I should right. Yeah, phela kanjalo ke. But ke guys, in this moment, ndingathi ndingongqesta. I ain't no hero. I don't feel like Superwoman. I feel so hurt. I feel distraught. Ndiyagowa ndiyafokofa. And time went there, like labaleka ixesha ke phayana ndisekwezo feels zam ndisoyika nokuba ndibe nento ezondidibanisa nabafana, because rejection sana lam is not fun. Fine. The third guy, actually, it was still in my feeling. I'm at my friend's establishment. He comes in. I always help out there when it's busy. So he comes in on a Thursday. He orders his lunch and drinks and sits, eats, then leaves. I don't remember, oh, that guy, like, he was good looking. I was like, Then aphinda abuye Saturday. Must be my luck, son. Must be my luck for having eye candy 2 days in a row. So njengoba Friday, it's awkward Friday, because Simanes, every time I look, ndiyojonga ngaloqala hleli ngakulo, seyejonge ngakum, ndiqomba yo singomamboyi sijongene sana. So asela umfana on a Friday, on a Saturday umfana angene ahlale ebharini abe seyindibiza uba ucela into ethile. Ngiqomba, okay, utsho endodeni, nami ke sana lam ndawusele ndikuseva the whole night. I serve this guy drinks, man is through conversations nje ezibandayo. So fine, I think he gets a bit tipsy, abenesibindi, like the gut to ask for my numbers. So he asked for my numbers, and then fine, I gave him my numbers. Right. After I gave him my numbers, he says that, can I please invite you to my place? I'll cook. Oh wow, yet another Netflix and chill, but Sissy, wooden hats. Wooden hats, Mandabaseka. I was like, wait, you know what? Seemed like an okay guy, like, fine. And he said he will cook. Nah, I've never came across a guy said he will cook for me. It's always, let me take you out. Or the worst of the worst, cousin Pegel. Hi, Bo. Okay, let's go up. So immediately, guys, I go to this guy's place. We put drinks. The aroma, Sana. This guy was good looking. This guy was well mannered. This guy could cook. He was Zulu, guys. Oh, my Zulu brothers, I'm still available. For a Xhosa Han, DM me. Okay, guys. So he's all that. Like, he's a triple threat. He's soft spoken. You know, he's a good listener. You know, yay. So kuzo zonke ezi talks njenge date ihamba kakuhle ke. So kuzo zonke ezi talks ke si busy ke. I sisters debate. Akade zikhona ii-chances guys sokuba athethe sisters ne, like disclose, but she doesn't disclose. She chooses not to disclose, in fact, because she's like, man, girl, the HIV ruined stuff for you, like, you know, previously. Because another thing is that you are already undetectable. You won't transmit it to him. So there's no use for you to tell him, you know. And there wouldn't be, even if there was an accident, I was nix. But just enjoy your time with him, this guy. Yeah. About enjoy. Liqhuba ixesha kwenzeke i-accident. Andithabisa kangatsho nto yenzeka ke i-accident. Wayengoqala uqhuma uthabisa. I was the first to jump out of bed. I was the first to jump out, son, and disclose here and then and now. I panicked, guys. I panicked. Really, what I was doing was out of character. I panicked and I disclosed. He panicked, I panicked, we all panicked. I died down the panic. Then I asked, I actually reminded him that no, I actually told him, in fact, but no, I'm undetectable. And again, in that. Obviously, I know it was still early stages, so there won't be anything to worry about. But my guys, but still after that, kwabe kuphela kwento yam nalamfana. That was the ex. Cut. Okay, my son, that decided I was soze imbi west le endisuka kuyo, guys, kunayo rejecta nabaya abayi-2 leo gqibela ovele yo guys that's xela uba soze amagazini, never again. So I'm still in my journey, guys, of celibacy. I'm still looking for a husband. But nana ayizuya ndawo le HIV, like ayizuya ndawo. In as much as kwabe kunjalo ukurejectwa kwam, but ayizuya ndawo. I'm okay, guys, the rejections. Kanenzeni, you know, kanenzeni. Eyethu sonke man lewe.